Welcome back. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another informative video. April 2022. And I'm looking at Decentraland and I know everybody's thinking, oh my God, what is happening? And the market is really having a hard time. Let's just take a look at the top 10 here. Everything is just red. Okay, Bitcoin below 40K, Ethereum below 3K. This is just awful. And I've made other videos like this and I tell people, you know, that's one of the problems with crypto. You got to be able to just hold your nose. If you can't hold your nose and look away and be confident in what you have invested in, crypto might not be where you want to be. Because, I mean, there's going to be times when the institutional investors just pull their money out and you're going to see every single one of the behavior patterns here is red. The next thing you know, they'll all be green. But it's a long-term game. It's not something that you're going to just get rich overnight. And you have to understand what you are investing in. So if we go back here to Decentraland, looking at it today, it's $1.83. I just wanted to pull up the year graph. Take a look at this ugly graph. Okay, yeah, it's ugly. There was a point here where we were riding high at $5.40 back November 24th, 2021. And I like this data point here in February of 2022, we were sitting at $3.40. You know, there's two ways you can look at this. For the people who can't see past their nose, they're looking at it and saying, oh God, I lost half my money. For the people who realize what Decentraland is and what it could possibly mean as far as entertainment, you got an opportunity now to get it at 50% off. And it might not ever come around again. Now, still there's others that are going to look down here and be thinking, oh my gosh, could it possibly go back below 80 cents? I just don't see that happening. But I will say this, no matter what changes happen with this particular coin, we have to remember one thing. When we look at Decentraland, we have to understand they have the infrastructure built. They have the gaming platform built. There's so many others that do not have the infrastructure, what they're going to be doing with their blockchain, what they're going to be doing with their technology. That's not the case with Manacoin. It's not the case. They've got the full-blown capability here. You can go out to Decentraland.org, you can log in, and you can bounce around in this world, and it is real. There are real games, real people building real things inside of Decentraland, and it is an incredible experience, an incredible opportunity. And I believe that one day we will see very soon Decentraland turn around and go all the way back and post new all-time highs. The question is, are you willing to strap in your seatbelt and stick around? Stick around. Are you able to hold until it comes back? Now, until I hear some horrible news that the whole platform is in jeopardy, I'm a big fan of Decentraland, and I'm one of those people that is looking at it from a long-term point of view, and I think that they definitely have a great use case for the blockchain and the use of Manacoin inside of their gaming infrastructure. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you on the next one.